welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have my Boxyluxe for the fall season to unbox with you. So I just came back from my Alaskan cruise with my parents. It was really great. Highly recommend. I will have some vlog series out hopefully in the near future. And then I'm also going to be leaving today for some work travel for the next couple of weeks, so I just had to get a video out. So this is the Luxe box. So again, it is the quarterly box. There are going to be 8 full-size items, and it is $49.99 per season. I honestly didn't think I was going to be getting this box this quarter because I only received a tracking code for the base box, so that's why I was a little bit surprised to see it. So I'm taking time out of my lunch. I'm not eating lunch today. I scarfed down a sweet potato to unbox this with you, so hopefully this will be worth it. So let's see. Again, I'm going to let you know if I thought this was worth it or not. Again, if I paid $49.99 for it. As you know, I like to give my full opinion. So this is sent to me for review and to post over on my Instagram story. This YouTube video is not part of my agreement with Boxycharm. So even if I was, I would still give you my full and honest opinion. Feel free to look back and you can see how honest I am. So let me open it. So this is what it looks like. Again, it's the Luxe box. So this does not have a theme. There are 8 items, and I was correct about that number. In terms of the variation, I'm C2209412-LX. I'm going to start with the first item on the list, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to be jazzed about this particular product, so let me find it. So the reason why I think people are going to be jazzed is because it's this nondescript cardboard box. Just kidding, let me open it. This is the Zendo palette from Natasha Denona. It is a warm and cool toned palette inspired by an ambiance where nature meets minimalist architecture. A mix of elements that conveys peacefulness and tranquility. Features 15 iconic ND pressed pigment shadows, including a range of brown and beige to pink and coral shades, complemented with teal, mint, and green hues. A perfect balance and color combination to create a warm and cool everyday to bold and expressive looks. It has a $69 value. So this one is made in Italy if you're interested. My box looks to be a little bit opened, but that's fine. Again, there are 15 shades in here. It looks like it has a combination of mattes, metallics, and duochromes. And it is mineral oil free, preservative free, D5 free, UV filter free, paraben free, alcohol free, not tested on animals, and it has a huge mirror. So this is what it looks like here. So again, there are some shimmer shades in there, some duochromes, and it looks to be a good mix of neutrals and also warm tones and cool tones, like it did say in the description. I'm actually quite excited by this, and it looks pretty wearable for me. And I have like the Natasha Denona products that I've gotten in my Boxycharms in the past. So I'm super excited for this, and hopefully I'll be home to try it out. It does have like the classic Natasha Denona on the back where you can pop out the pans if you only want to take a couple of them with you on vacation or something like that. Yeah, so super excited. So this is already paid for the box if you are an eyeshadow fan. So let me jump into the next item. So it's from Lawless Beauty. Let me find it. This is from Lawless Beauty. It's the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing Mascara. The one truly clean mascara that does it all. Volumizes, defines, lengthens, lifts, and wears all day while promoting naturally thick lash growth. This mascara uses the lighter weight lacquer, tree, and rice bran waxes to keep lashes lifted, while castor and argan oils promote lash length. It also comes with an elastomer brush that gently grips and combs through lashes for instant volume and elongation, while the spherical tip offers lash styling and separation. $25 value. So that is a pretty expensive mascara. It's kind of like the ones that they typically put in the subscription boxes. They're usually like $25 to $30. So this one is made in Italy as well if you're interested. All is free from cruelty, silicones, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil, pegs, and carbon black. So this is what the brush looks like. I'm not going to open it because I just opened a couple of new mascaras recently, but it is in the shade Nightlife. I don't know if you can see that. So let me just open the box just to show you what it looks like. So the tube is like a metallic sort of plastic, and it looks pretty nice actually. I'm kind of excited to try it. I'm still slightly concerned that it's not going to be super waterproof because, as you know, if you follow me on this channel, you know that my eyes are very watery and oily, so I always look like a raccoon by about 3 p.m. So I'm going to go on to the next one. So this one is from Ulla Henriksen. This is the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Creme. This lightweight gel moisturizer packed with 3 forms of vitamin C and rows of winter extract instantly brightens and delivers 24-hour hydration. This has a $34 value. Let me actually go check. I think I have it open. So I have my own open here. I got it on sale at Sephora for like a very good price after Christmas. But I'll just kind of read you the info on the box here. Brightens, age-defying 24-hour hydration, Targets fine lines and wrinkles with 3 sources of vitamin C, rose of winter extract. And this one is a facial moisturizer, 35 mLs or 1.2 fluid ounces. And this is made in the US if you're interested. So I'm going to open my own just because I've already been using it. So I've had it open for about a month. I have been liking using it. It's kind of an interesting texture. So let me pull it open. So I do keep the little lid on. So this is what it looks like on the inside here. So I would say the texture is kind of like a gel, like a jelly consistency, like you would expect. But sometimes the gel creams that I've been using are kind of more watery. This one's like definitely like a jelly. If you push it, it kind of feels like if you had like a pudding jello or something in there. The scent is very orange. It smells like orange sherbet or sorbet, however you pronounce it. That's what it smells like. So I used to do it in the morning usually, and when I wear a mask out in public, I kind of feel like I like spilled sorbet or sherbet all over my face. But it is kind of a pleasant smell. It does last a relatively long time, so if you're not a huge fan of scented facial products, you might not like this product, but I have liked it. It does layer pretty well and things like that. So that's my review of this one. Okay, the next product in here is another skincare product. I'm super excited. I really love skincare products, and for the past few times, Boxycharm has been very makeup heavy. I know that's not everyone's cup of tea, but it's my cup of tea. It's my jug of tea. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Redness Relief Serum. It says nature's stand against sensitivity. This long-acting white mushroom-powered serum is clinically proven to reduce redness after just 30 minutes, while soothing signs of sensitivity in 7 days, including dryness, itching, discomfort, flakiness, tightness, or burning sensations. This new Velvet Touch Serum is proven to strengthen skin's moisture barrier and help protect from pollution. This was a $60 value. So this box is already hitting it out of the park for me because I love all 4 of the products so far, actually. Forgot about the mascara. I've been really jazzed about the eyeshadow palette and the 2 skincare items, but the mascara is actually quite good too. This one is made in the UK if you're interested. I have heard pretty good things about this skincare brand. Back in the day, Alltrue/Cosbox. Again, let me know if you want me to do the spoiler video for that, because I have no skin in the game, but I'll just provide you the info, so let me know below. But I've been kind of eyeing buying these from FabFitFun or Alltrue, but I just never got around to it because I've been trying to use up everything. So let me open it. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a classic glass pump bottle, and it looks like it is 30 mLs or 1.02 fluid ounces. That is in Norwegian. Sorry, I cannot tell you that. To use AM and PM, gently press with fingertips onto a cleansed face. So this looks really exciting. I'm actually quite excited by it. I have like the snow mushroom serum that I got in a FabFitFun sale from Volition Beauty. That one was so good. So I'm hoping that this is a similar sort of product. It does not seem to have any added fragrance. Yes, I don't see any added fragrance or any essential oils to add any scent or anything, so I'm super excited about that actually. So the next one is from Make. I've never heard of this brand, so let me know if you know what brand this is. It's from Make. It's a serum balm. It's a serum balm. Sorry, I wanted to check because I thought it said blush when I pulled it out. It's a serum balm. It's a hydrating lip treatment. The serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient derived from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers along with liquefied jojoba wax, this lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion. And this is a $26 value, and it is a new brand to Boxy. This one's the first time I'm a little bit iffy about, but that's just because I don't really use lip treatments that much because I have some allergies of some unknown ingredient that tends to be in a lot of lip treatments. I don't know. It makes my face, like my mouth, actually crack. So it says it is made in the US, makebeauty.com. I've never heard of this brand. It's in the shade Nude. I'm gonna open this actually just to show you. So it has like a metallic sort of plastic component and some matte plastic here. It says Make on the end. And again, this is in the shade Nude. Let me open it. Oh, okay. It's not a pull off, it's a twist. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I didn't know what to expect. So it is like an applicator and you just like put it on. So I'm not going to put it on right now just because I just put a bunch of lip product on before I came on here because my lips are looking really chapped and kind of gross. But I am kind of excited to try this out actually because, again, I thought when it was a lip treatment it was going to be like a lip balm, you know, like a chapstick or whatever. So this one seems a little bit nice and it seems to have a slight kind of color on it, but nothing too bold. So I'm kind of excited for this as well. So far this box is pretty good. I don't know. This is very abnormal for me. So the next one is from Beauty Bio. Oh, actually, I kind of need these right now. So I haven't been sleeping that much just because jet lag is real and I'm old now. So like the 4 hours between New York time and Alaska time was like way too much for my body. And then I was up and about like the entire time from like 4:30 in the morning all the way until 9 p.m. So I'm pooped. But this is from Beauty Bio. It's the Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. So stay in place cooling eye gels help depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of fine lines to reduce the delicate under eye skin from the effects of stress, sleepless nights, and red eye flights. And this is $28 and it's a new brand to Boxy. So honestly, all of that sounds like marvelous. I might actually put one in my carry-on bag because my eyes, I don't know how bad they look here, but like when I was looking at my camera on Teams earlier, I was like, oh my gosh, I look like a skeleton. But this is what it has, and it has colloidal silver. I'm a little bit iffy about whether or not that's useful. Pearl, collagen, and aloe. This is made in China if you're interested. I've heard of this brand. I think they're kind of going around on social media right now. I think usually with a tool of some kind. But yeah, this sounds really nice. I'm kind of excited for it. So let me open the box. So I'm going to just have it like this. So these look like those really nice ones to just throw in your bag for like overnight bag. And they have like the gels in there and you just like peel it apart and they stick on pretty well. So I actually will take this along with me. The next item is from that brand I still don't know how to pronounce, but it keeps coming in Boxycharm. It's this brand, Queen, Qveen, Queen. It is a partners in crime lip liner duo. Indulge your inner bad B word. The rich buttery formula of this lip liner delivers a high pigment payoff that seals in moisture for comfortable long lasting wear. Has an $18 value. So I don't know, I feel like certain brands like to try to be edgy, but like you really need to be edgy in this time. Anyway, it is in spray tan and SOS, so it looks like it is probably like a pink color and maybe a brown. I don't know if you can go by what the model has on. Oh, here are the colors on the bottom. So it is like a red and a brown. I'm trying to find the info for where it's made for you. It is made in China if you're interested. So these are the two pencils here. So this one is spray tan. So it's the brown shade. There's a little bit of a fuzzy on the end of mine, but that's probably fine. I'm not going to swatch it because I have quite a few open right now. And this one is the SOS shade. So this one looks kind of like a rose, like a dusty rose color. So again, I'm not going to swatch them because I have a couple open right now and I don't really tend to use lip liners that much. So this is the first one that's a little bit like, doesn't really match my lifestyle. So far so good actually. One out of 7 so far, not bad, because usually there's quite a few clinkers for me at least. So if you don't know, I'm very much a natural sort of person. So sometimes, you know, I don't really wear that much makeup in general. So a lot of times the Boxycharm isn't a total hit for me. So 1 out of 7 not being super on my brand is super good. I spoke too soon. So this is the final product in the box. And this one, again, doesn't fit my lifestyle, but it's probably a wonderful product. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. It's the Silk Tone Cream Blush. Give your cheeks and lips a pinch of color. Irresistibly silky, this weightless, buildable cream blush formula blends into the skin seamlessly and lasts all day long. Bonus, it contains hyaluronic acid. This has a $22 value. So I think Dominique Cosmetics is owned by an influencer, if I'm remembering correctly. This has 5 grams or 0.17 ounces, and the shade is Warm Peach for me. Sorry that the color balance is off. I don't know what's going on. I don't usually film on this time of day or this day of the week. This is made in the Dominican Republic, so I've never seen anything made in the DR actually. So I find that kind of interesting actually, so let me open it. Okay, so this is like very much plastic, like hard plastic, and it has a mirror on it. So that is what the shade looks like. So again, I'm not really a blush person and I'm also like not a cream blush person, but it does look like a pretty nice sort of romantic shade. I don't know, very weird word to come out of my brain, but that's what it kind of reminds me of, like a very peachy sort of like summer look. And then I think it would look good on the lips, so maybe I might try it out because I've always been actually kind of curious about this because again, I think it's an influencer brand, so a lot of influencers have been kind of pushing it for a while just to like support their friends. So I mean, this seems kind of like an interesting product to try, and honestly I probably wouldn't have gone out of my way to to pay money to buy it. So the fact that it showed up in a subscription box is kind of like one of those things that like subscription boxes are good for, kind of pushing you slightly out of your comfort zone and things like that. So overall, let me go through what I got and whether or not I think I would have gotten my $49.99 value out of it. So let me just say the only one product I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use are the lip liners, but that's just a personal sort of style issue. It's like a lot of people use lip liners, I'm just not one of them. But I mean, they are pretty nice colors, I think, in my opinion, and they're pretty similar to the ones I already have open, so that's why I'm like, they're pretty nice, you know, like I already have them open and I've been using them because, yeah, I've gotten them in a subscription box. Other than that, I would have probably purchased something similar to any of those, and like, to be honest, I had already purchased this Ole Henriksen one, which I think was already pretty expensive. Yeah, it was a $34 value for this, and I've already bought it in the past, and I have liked it. So even if that was the only one that I was like super jazzed about, but I was like kind of on the fence about everything else, this would have definitely been worth it for me to just try out the products. However, that being said, I'm also excited about the Natasha Denona palette. And then I'm also excited about the Ren Clean Skincare Ever Calm Redness Relief Serum. Gel creme, as I mentioned. And I honestly just needed under eye gels anyway. So it's kind of nice because the ones I have are the ones that come in a tub, which are not great for travel. Better for the environment, not great for travel. So having this to pack with me is super good because I'm going to be traveling again for so long this month. I just counted this morning and I will only sleep in my own bed 11 days this month, and I've already slept in my own bed 4 of those 11. So this one definitely needed. And then the other products are also things that I'm going to use. So like that serum balm, not super excited about it in general, but like I'm definitely going to try it out. And then again, the volumizing mascara. I just love trying out mascaras, even though some of them don't work for me because my eyes are so watery. Definitely got my like $50 worth of value out of this box this season, which is kind of impressive for me. If you watched, I think it was last month's video for the base box, that one was kind of a complete miss. I don't even know how to talk about how bad it was. But yeah, anyway, thank you again for watching, and hopefully I will have a bunch of boxes to unbox with you when I come back from my work trip, and then I'll have a couple of things already set and ready to go. So thank you again for watching. Let me know below what you think about this box, and let me know what you got in your box this month. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.